Today we're going to be looking at the 4-inch Makita angle grinder. Comes with a 4-inch grinding disc. And you got your guard for it. Then you got a side handle that goes on either side. And you've got your wrench. And this is the model number GA4030. And as you can see, I've had a Makita 4-inch angle grinder for years. I've had this thing and used it. It's been a good one. We're going to see the difference between the old style and the new style. You can see they're pretty much the same size. Weight's pretty much the same. I think it's like 4 pounds, maybe a little over. I like the 4-inch because it's a little more compact. You can get it in tighter areas. You can see with the old style, you have to use a 9/16 wrench to hold the shaft. And then it takes a wrench, goes in the hose to remove the disc. It's not too bad to do, but it can be aggravating. There's the old style and the new style. The new style should work on this too. Let's see here. And it does. And on the new angle grinder, it's got a spindle lock. That's nice right there. That one's not threaded on this one. It's actually got a little groove cut in to match that. I didn't know that. The old one's not that away. The old one's just round and that part's threaded. That's a big improvement right there. Don't have to take a wrench. And you want to make sure that you put that on right. That goes in that. That's a 1/2-inch hole. It goes on one direction. Same way on your grinding wheel. Push your button, that'll lock your shaft. That is nice. Boy, that's a big improvement. Well, you got 3 grooves in your shaft housing. You got to line them up on your guard. They go on the back like that, and you can adjust this any way you want. You can loosen that up and adjust your guard any direction you want. I'm going to keep it straight. The old grinder is a 5-amp. The new grinder is a 6-amp. And on your old grinder, you can see the handle screws in square. On your new grinder, it's at like a 20-degree angle. On the left, on the right, it's the same way. The other old grinder doesn't have a one for the left side. It's mounted on your guard. This one's mounted on the frame itself. And you can see the style of switch. Push down and unlock on the old one. The new style, you have to push down on the back part, slide it forward, and that'll lock it. Push down and unlocks. That's the old one. I believe it's going to be a good grinder. Hey guys, thanks for watching.